so I should play faster here, that faster, and make a good position. If then opponent can resign so fast, so you can save time. So let's see, because if you play opening better, because in 2000 you have to believe, but the first game I played not so good. So maybe here he's going to take time. Oh, he advancing. Okay, I try to exchange the queen will be exchanged now. If he plays pawn to d4, I'll capture, the queen will be captured. But yeah, he is capturing. I can develop one piece, so it's one of the rule in the opening, that try to develop faster than opponent. Maybe c5. I have to play c5 because hope my audio is recording fine. And I also not using the noise suppression, because then my voice is okay. Maybe castling is fine. And maybe a6, because always you should be some preventive opponent knight should not join here. Maybe I can play this or not, or b5 is fine. Hope then bishop b7. Yeah, he was going. Oh, he want to capture one of my knight. Should I take it? I think I can take it, but then queen will be exchanged actually. So I think this time sometimes you have to go back, guys, because of your opponent. If I capture, then queen will be exchanged, then my queen is not on the board. So as now the d6 pawn looking small, weaker, but my bishop not going to the, because of my e6 pawn. I think it's fine. I hope I'm winning, guys. So as he's 1100, but he you can, if you are stronger, I'm stronger than him, so I can get easily. And you see, easily he giving me a pawn, because this level people. So I think this time I can exchange his queen, because I have already one pawn up. So this pawn is enough, I think, to win the game. So sometimes you cannot get some advantage. So yeah, if you exchange, I'll simply exchange, and because of your opponent has some double pawn, so it's another weakness. And maybe I can shift my rook now faster on open file, go to here, and the ace. Yeah, I think this is he's almost in bad position, and with material, yeah, but he want to exchange. I think I can grab more, guys. He's missing that pawns, and he must save it. Then I think it's not bad to be in the, this is the weak diagonal for my opponent, but he tries to stop it. I think I'm better if I be on f6 or not, though this diagonal is not good for me, because simply bishop to here, because one move, if you make bad choice, then you have to make some. Yeah, he want to challenge, guys. So I think I should capture, because I need to. Okay, one thing I want to do, guys, this pawn is weak, so make all the pawns on the f file of my opponent and try to bring the king now. Of course the rook should join, otherwise this opponent rook is coming also. You want to exchange, guys, and yeah, you want to take. Yeah, it's a good move. If I push, okay, I think I can push, but he can attack. Yeah, he can attack it, so it's problem. Okay, I think he should capture it. It's fine. I should be here. It's not bad. You want to challenge, capture. I'm already 2 pawn up, guys. So if I not calculate good, then he can maybe winning this pawn, maybe. Yeah, but I want to get this pawn because alternative way I have to attack. So I should capture, and I think I'm fine. His pawn was not good, but I have to take it because materially I lost one pawn. Simply capture, and he's you see he has two bad disconnected pawns. So this check, I think, not working. Now maybe I can play ace 5. And my turn is so bad, guys. So okay, let's try to play g5. Everything should be, because I should just okay, maybe I can play this and this. That means the king should not be here, and maybe my rook should. Okay, I can also play g5, connect my with the ace pawn, then rook should be anywhere except this b file, because opponent rook is on b file, something with Leah. So I think I'm not going to push this any day because it's guarding my pawn, but I'm just going to enter here now ace file. Then okay, he protecting that, good, it's a good. And if I like, I think I can exchange capture, but no, then my okay, try to be wait somewhere. Sometimes if you have no good move, then just wait, because he has to move and his time is slightly better. But now I think I am fine. If I go here, push, my king has more space, then this pawn will be pushed. Let's try. But I am 2 pawn up, so guys, there is no threat for me. Okay, go. I can also try to go challenge the, and oh yeah, this move is for, yeah, this is the weak pawn, guys, have to be careful. Or I can push it actually. Previous not playing, I can push, but king should be developed, guys. Okay, I think what can I play? Let's do this, and if he can come here, I will push it. Push. Okay, can I play this and try to exchange the f pawn, e pawn with his, but it's not possible. It's possible now, but yeah, if we go for some check, I will be here, hide here. I think it's possible now. If I go for any check, same will happen. So I think it's fine. Exchange, try to exchange these pawns, and he is only one pawn remaining. He can have some check. Capture. Now I can capture this pawn first, guys, because it is now cleaning my ace pawn. So this check not helping. I can reach here, then he can try actually. Try push, not bad, but now I am also attacking his strong, only one pawn in the center, e file. Yeah, he is trying to push and make a queen. Maybe he can push the rook, but I think I am faster, guys. So king must move somewhere, so I'm fine. My pawn should be, 3 pawns are connected, guys, so I think it is almost like a rook. 3 pawns or 4 pawns, almost like a rook. Is it checkmate, guys? So why should I push it? So take checkmating first. So second game win.